Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make seafood pepper soup. We will begin by selecting the freshest ingredients, ensuring a vibrant and delicious outcome. You'll learn to combine aromatic spices with tender seafood, creating a truly comforting dish. This guide will walk you through each stage, from preparation to the final simmer, guaranteeing a delightful culinary experience. Get ready to master a truly satisfying and spicy seafood pepper soup, perfect for any occasion. For our delicious soup, you will need about 1 pound of mixed seafood such as shrimp, firm whitefish, and calamari. We'll also use 2 tablespoons of ground crayfish, which adds a wonderful umami depth. Prepare 1 large onion, finely chopped, and 2 cloves of garlic minced. Don't forget 1 Scotch bonnet pepper for that signature heat, which you can adjust to your preference. Fresh ginger and a few scent leaves are also key. Let's start cooking. First, sauté your chopped onions and minced garlic in about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil until they become fragrant and translucent. Next, add your mixed seafood and cook for just 3 to 5 minutes until it's slightly firm. Then, pour in 4 cups of fish or vegetable stock. Bring it to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 15 minutes, allowing all those wonderful flavors to meld beautifully. As your soup nears completion, stir in fresh basil or scent leaves during the last 5 minutes of simmering. This adds a vibrant, fresh aroma. Now is the perfect time to taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper to your preference, ensuring a perfectly balanced flavor. Ladle the hot, aromatic soup into bowls, perhaps garnished with a few extra fresh herbs. Enjoy this comforting, spicy, and incredibly satisfying seafood pepper soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.